Hello everyone, this is Priyal and today we're gonna be learning it how to create our own Spotify or you can say a Ghana app in MIT App Inventor or Curdular. Fine. So you can see here I am on my App Inventor screen. First of all, I'm gonna change the title to Ghana. Fine. I am making my theme is device default like this. Alright, now here what I want, come on layout section. So here I want one vertical scroll arrangement or you can also take a vertical arrangement. Like suppose I am taking on vertical arrangement only like this and I'm making my height as fill pairing as well as the width as fill pairing like this. Okay? Now here what you want, yeah. Here suppose I'm taking one image. I'm making its width as filtering as well as I mean height and width as filtering. Now here I'm uploading the required image that I want here. Suppose here I'm taking any image. I've downloaded some singers images and the songs. Give me a minute. Yeah. Like suppose I'm taking this one and now make it a scale picture to fit. Fine. Okay, so yeah. Now here what we want. Wait, we don't want this image. I want another image. Wait, let me choose one image. Like suppose here I want some songs images. Alright. So you can take songs required with your choice only. Here I'm taking some whom I've downloaded already. Just give me a minute. Uh, this one. Fine. Like this, suppose here I've taken one image. Now here what I want a horizontal arrangement. Okay. Yeah. I make sure to put that horizontal arrangement in this vertical arrangement only. See, this is the horizontal arrangement, and now I'm making it width as filtering. Now, come on, user interface. Here we'll drag and drop three buttons: one, two, and three. You can add more buttons required with your choice. Next is yeah. Now next, what we have to do? So make your phone as phone mode and change your phone size to 20. And I'm changing its phone typeface also. Now I'm changing the text to suppose this pause. Alright. And background color to the cyan one. It's your choice whatever color you want. Now same I'll be doing for this also. And here I'm changing its width to 50%. Okay, like this. Now I'm changing the text to play. And the background color I'm making it as little bit custom, a kind of this. It's looking very weird, right? So I'm making it simply to green. Now for our button number 3 also we have to do the same thing. So text here I'm making a stop, and background color I'm making to this orange. It's your choice whatever color you want. Now this whole horizontal arrangement, now I'm changing its background color also. I'm making it to a little bit pink color, or what about this dark gray? Because I think this will also look fine only. Fine, and yeah, I'm making whole as vertical arrangements background color again to dark gray only, so that it may look systematized. That's why. All right. Okay. Now suppose here I want one more thing. I'm taking here one more button and I'm placing it just here. Okay, and make sure to place them just I mean under the vertical arrangement. Okay, I am again making all those things that we have done earlier for all the required buttons. Okay, and I'm making its width again as 50%, or what about 75%? I think 75 will look fine. Alright, now text I'm making as like text, let's make it as next song. Means that if any user don't want to listen this respective song, then they can listen another song also. So for that I've taken this, and yeah, this, and yeah, make sure on your vertical arrangement, make it align the horizontal as center thing. Okay, so it may look nice. And next is background, so I'm making it as pink color. Okay, even you guys can change the color. All right. Okay, now here what I want. So yes, the next thing that here I want is what I want. Yeah, come on media. So in the media, I'll get the option of player. Simply drag it and drop it here. After dropping it, make this volume as 100 first of all. And in the place of source, we have to upload the file. So here I'm just uploading the required song. This was the song, I guess. It may take some time to upload, so yeah, we can wait for it. And also you can like upload songs based on your required artist, means that it's your choice that what songs you have to upload and for what artist. So that's absolutely your choice. Fine. So you can see here, it's successfully uploaded, you can see it. Fine. Now here what I want. So now what we have to do, make this vertical arrangement one as not visible. Fine. Now don't worry that whether it have gone somewhere or not. So don't, no need to worry. I'll be telling you all. Now next here I'm again taking one vertical arrangement. I'm making its height as filtering as well as its width also as filtering. Now what I want image again. So make its height and width as filtering. And here I'm uploading one image pic. I mean one. Sorry. I mean one songs pic. I've actually downloaded many songs. Uh, Let me see a good one. I think this one, yeah, is one of my favorite song. Yeah, I've downloaded many songs for this app, but yeah, like it's just a demo, so that's why I've taken that's why I'm just showing you for one particular artist, right? So it's your choice, whatever you want to do. Yeah. Now next what I have to do here, again do same thing, come on layout. You'll get the option of horizontal arrangement, place it here and make its width as fill pairing. Then again come on your user interface and drag and drop three buttons here. One, two, and last one. Okay. Now the first button I'm making its font size again as 20. Same thing we have to do again that we have done for our, I mean all our buttons. So text and now again I'm making it as pause, and now you guys can change its background color again. I'm changing it again to cyan only. I don't know what how to spell it. Alright, so yeah. And yeah, width I'm making it as 25% or 50. I guess 50 will be fine. Let it be. And next thing, change the text to play. Alright, and background color again I'm making it as green. And for this button, let it be give me a quick minute. Yeah. Same thing here, we have to apply for all the buttons that we have taken earlier. Alright, so text I'm making it as stop. Alright. So background color again, you guys can change if you're interested in that. Here I'm making it as let's make it as magenta or magenta. I don't know what it is. Yeah, and I'm changing the text color to white so that it can be clearly visible. Now this whole horizontal arrangement, let's change its color. What about pink? I think pink will look pretty fine, right? And yeah, here make sure to upload one more button. But yeah, we'll upload it just under the vertical arrangement, and that's for the back. Okay. And here I have just uploaded two songs. It's your choice whether you want to upload more songs. So yeah, that's absolutely your choice. You have to use your own creativity in doing that. So text I'm making it as what should we make? Mm-hmm. Of course, we want a bag. In background color, you guys can change. Let's make it as blue. Okay. But yeah, now we have to change the text color also. I'm making it as white. But yeah, let's make it as center, right? So for that, again, we have to do one thing here. In the vertical arrangement, make it as center three. All right. Yeah. Now you guys can even change the background color of vertical arrangement. I'm changing the background color to dark gray like that. All right. And again, we have to do one more thing. Come on, media here. We want clear. Okay. So volume, I'm making it as 100. Okay, done. Now tap on upload file, and here I'm uploading the song. We have to wait for a few seconds or you can say few minutes also to upload it completely. Alright, so here you can see the song has been successfully uploaded, right? So yeah, and yeah, there is one more quality of our app that it will play the song like suppose अभी आप ऐप पे नहीं हो, like you are opening a WhatsApp or YouTube, then also the song will automatically play it continuously, right? So it's very, you can say, a good thing. Like if you want to work on any other app and if you also have to play the song, so at that point of time it gonna work. And also one more thing I have to tell that this app gonna work offline also, means बिना data के भी ये app में आप songs को play कर सकते हैं without downloading them. Okay, so that's a very good thing about our app. And yeah, make sure to do one more thing. Now let's do it's now let's do the coding part. Now this vertical arrangement 2, that's this one, I'm making it as not visible. And this vertical arrangement 1, I'm making it as visible. ठीक है, तो अभी हम करते हैं इसका कोड. तो ब्लॉक्स पाएंगे. Now first of all I'm taking a something. I'm taking call player dot pause, call player dot start, call player dot stop. ठीक है, तो अभी हम ये चीज़ हमें लेना है. हाँ. Now what we want to do, so button 1, simply array, sorry ना, just take this and simply do one thing, duplicate it. One, how many buttons we have? We have six, I guess. No, eight, right? So we have to take eight of these. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, and last eight. ठीक है? Okay. Alright. ठीक है. अभी क्या करना है, जो हमने ये सब लिए ना हमारे प्लेयर्स, we have to duplicate them also. Duplicate. Yeah, we'll be doing all those further things next time. First of all, for this button 1, I want call player 1 dot pause. ठीक है? So we'll be changing the IDs of it. But yeah, now for now just do this thing only. You can see what's the button 1. So button 1 is actually pause button, right? Then this is button 2, this is your button 3, and this is your button number 4, right? That thing we have to do. Now make it as button number 2, and I want call player dot start, and make this as your button number 3, and here I want call player dot stop. ठीक है? अब जो हमारा नेक्स्ट सॉन्ग वाला बटन है, दैट इज द बटन नंबर 4. फॉर दिस व्हाट आई वांट क्या चाहिए हमें. सो सी हियर, ये क्या है हमारा, दिस इज अ वर्टिकल अरेंजमेंट 1. सो व्हाट आई वांट, अगर कोई नेक्स्ट सॉन्ग पे दबाए, देन आई वांट इज वर्टिकल अरेंजमेंट 1 शुड बी हिडन and vertical arrangement 2, that's this one, it should be visible. So what I'm gonna do here is, uh, come on your vertical arrangement 1, here you'll be getting the option, that is set vertical arrangement 1 dot visible. Simply drag and drop it here. Now what we want to do here, simply do one thing, come on logic and make it as 4. ठीक है. ऑल्सो अभी हम इसी ब्लॉक कर देंगे डुप्लीकेट एंड रिप्लेस इट हियर. अभी हमें करना है इसको वर्टिकल अरेंजमेंट 2 एंड वी हैव टू मेक इट एज ट्रू. ठीक है. नाउ next we have to do code for button number 5, not 4, I mean 5, for 6, for your 7, and at last for the 8. Now button 5 क्या हमारा वो यही है, call player dot pause, and button 6 है call player dot start. So I'm going to duplicate this and I'm placing it here. Now same thing अभी हमें आगे करना है, ये वाला जो हमारा ब्लॉक है इसको डुप्लीकेट कर लो आई मीन, and we have to place it here. Fine. So yeah. So see, now here we have to do one more thing actually. Give me a quick minute. हाँ, तो वर्टिकल अरेंजमेंट 1 को हो जाए. अब हमें क्या करना है, वर्टिकल अरेंजमेंट 1 है, अभी हमें उसे बनाना है ट्रू, एंड जो हमारा इसके ऊपर डुप्लीकेट करके हम यहाँ प्लेस कर देंगे, एंड जो हमारा वर्टिकल अरेंजमेंट 2 है हमें उसे बनाना है इधर फॉल्स. डन. यस गाइस, वी हैव डन. नो वी हैवंट डन, वी हैव टू डू है वन मोर थिंग. तो अभी हमने यहाँ पे प्लेयर 1 लगा रखा है, राइट. बटन 5 के लिए वी वांट प्लेयर 2, बटन 6 के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए अगेन, प्लेयर नंबर 2, बटन 7 प्लेयर 2, एंड बटन नंबर 8 तो हमें चाहिए नहीं यार, player 2, because we wanna start another song, right. तो उसके लिए क्या है यहाँ. So yeah, actually this is a whole the code part, and yeah, even if you want, you guys can take a snapshot or a screenshot of this code so that you can do it further. Okay, and now if you want the images that I've taken or the songs that I've uploaded, for that you have to join my Discord server through the link mentioned in description box. And there I've already uploaded songs as well as the images in my Discord server, so make sure you join.